Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing into the account you use for payments. Input your EB consumer number and the registered mobile when prompted. This links identity and bill records. Once done, make sure the app can receive OTP messages. Grant SMS permission, because verification requires a one-time password. This step creates a secure mapping between your EB account and Google Pay, so future bills auto-populate. It saves time and prevents mismatches when you fetch billing data. You now add the EB account as a bill payee. Tap Pay, pick Bills, then Electricity, search for your state or provider and select it. Enter the consumer number exactly, spacing matters, then choose Verify so Google Pay fetches your account name and recent bills. When prompted, approve the OTP sent to your registered mobile. This confirms ownership and lets the app retrieve bill history. After confirmation, bills appear automatically. You can schedule or pay immediately, reducing manual entry errors. You finish by selecting the fetched EB bill, double-checking the amount and due date, then choosing your payment method, UPI, card, or bank transfer, and confirming the payment. Once paid, Google Pay records the receipt. Save the payee so new bills auto-fetch next time. If the bill doesn't appear or names mismatch, re-enter and verify the consumer number, then request another OTP. If problems persist, clear app cache, update the app, or contact your electricity provider to confirm account linking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.